Hey guys, what's going on? So today we are going to actually be starting to put parts on the cart now that I've actually got them. First thing we're going to be doing is putting together our rear axle. I know it's all just sitting here currently, but I'm going to show you how to install these bearings into the cassettes. And we're also going to be mounting our brake rotor, and then hopefully getting some other components on, like our spindles, possibly tie rods, and things like that. So stay tuned and we'll get you guys going. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to be doing is installing this bearing here for our axle into our cassette. So what I'm running is a 50 mil axle on the back here, and then this is actually a 90 millimeter tall bearing to fit in my cassette. So this is actually going to be on the motor side of the axle. So on my cassette here, I have PTK karting, Paul Tracy karting, and I'm actually gonna have the logo facing on the outward side. And then on my bearing, this inner collar is gonna be facing inward. So the way you mount, you notice there's these two grooves right here. So all you have to do, slide it in and then turn it sideways. And then, so that way it fits. Alright, so what I'm doing is I got some sandpaper, and I'm just going in and just cleaning out around the hole to help clearance parts like bumper brackets and other items that are mounted directly to the chassis using holes. Alright guys, so last time you saw me install the bearings and cassettes onto the rear axle. So what I've done is I kind of jumped ahead a little bit. I hard mounted these in and tightened everything down while centering the axle. I put my motor stop on here, and then as well as put on my pedals, and then I've got one of my spindles on here. Now one thing to note is that when you do this, you want two washers here on the bottom and two washers on the top. That way you have a neutral setting. Depending on the track, you can adjust where these spacers go, and then these are also how you adjust your ride height.